What was found out by the blood test? You can answer. Anemia was found out by the blood test. Have you had a health checkup in your school? What did the doctor tell you? So you answer yourself. Find out. Ask a doctor or elder about the food items which contains iron. Baby mosquitoes. Jaskit is telling there is a poster on malaria just outside our class. Everyone goes out to look. Are you watching? There are some places where the dirty water has been stored. That is why you know that the breed mosquito breed their legs in the dirty water. Are you inviting mosquitoes? This is a warning. Are you inviting mosquitoes? Be aware. They spread malaria, dengue and chikungunya. Don't let water collect around your house. Fill up the pits. Keep the water pots, coolers and tanks clean. They should be dried every week. Use mosquito net to protect yourself. Spray kerosene if water has collected at some places. Rajat is telling the poster says something about larvae. What are those? So I have already told you that first of all the mosquito lays some eggs in the water, and after some time the eggs changes into larva. So there one is called larva, and when there are so many eggs, then when it changes into larva, then it is called larvae. Larvae is the plural form of larva. Nancy is answering, they are baby mosquitoes, but they do not look like mosquito at all. Aarti, where did you see them? Nancy is answering, there was an old pot lying behind our house. It was full of water for some days. When I looked there, I saw some tiny thread-like grey things swimming. I was surprised when Mummy told me that these had come out of the eggs which mosquitoes lays in water. They are called larvae. I also heard something about this on the radio. Rajat, what did you do? Nancy is telling. Papa immediately threw away the water. He cleaned and dried the pot and kept it upside down so that no water would collect. Jaskirat, Shazia auntie told me that even flies spread diseases, especially stomach problems. She is telling that, and she is surprising that the flies do not bite, but they also spread diseases. Rajat is answering, but flies don't bite. Then how do they spread diseases? So answer is the house flies does not bite us, but it carries some deadly infections from the dirty places, and when they sit on our food, it leaves the infections on the food items. If anyone eat that food, that fell ill. That fall ill. That is why it is said that we should not take any food items that is uncovered from outside or from the roadside, and we should keep our house clean. And which diseases are spread by the housefly? Tuberculosis, typhoid, cholera, dysentery, shigellosis. These are the diseases that are spread by the housefly.